Tahiti, often referred to as the Queen of the Pacific, is a mesmerizing island paradise that captivates visitors with its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and crystal-clear waters. Nestled in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, Tahiti is the largest island in French Polynesia and serves as the gateway to this enchanting archipelago. From its stunning beaches to its rich Polynesian heritage, Tahiti offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers seeking a tropical haven. The climate is tropical, with temperatures ranging from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, year-round. The wet season occurs from November to April, bringing occasional rain showers, while the dry season from May to October is characterized by sunny days and cooler nights, making it an ideal time to visit. Tahiti offers a range of accommodations, from charming guest houses to luxurious overwater bungalows. Many visitors opt for the iconic overwater accommodations, allowing them to wake up to breathtaking views of the lagoon and surrounding landscapes. These intimate and luxurious resorts offer a romantic escape for honeymooners and couples seeking a secluded paradise. Papeete is the capital city of French Polynesia and is located on the island of Tahiti, which is the largest island in this South Pacific archipelago. Tahiti itself is part of the Society Islands group. Papeete serves as the economic, political, and cultural center of French Polynesia, and it is the gateway for most international travelers visiting the region. As the capital, Papeete is the economic hub of French Polynesia. It hosts government offices, banks, commercial enterprises, and a bustling market called Le Marché, where locals and tourists can find fresh produce, handicrafts, and other goods. Point Venus is a notable geographical location situated on the northern coast of Tahiti, which is the largest island in French Polynesia. Located on the Matavai Bay, on the northern tip of Tahiti, near the capital city of Papeete. Point Venus is known for its picturesque landscapes, with lush greenery, clear blue waters, and a view of the surrounding mountains. Captain Cook's observations. Point Venus gained historical significance when the famous British explorer Captain James Cook observed the 1769 transit of Venus across the Sun from this location. This astronomical event was significant for determining the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Point Venus features a black sand beach, offering a relaxing spot for visitors. The area is home to a lighthouse, adding to the coastal charm. There are parks and picnic areas where visitors can enjoy the surroundings and have a leisurely day out. Point Venus is sometimes a venue for cultural events, including traditional Polynesian dance performances and festivals. Visitors can explore local cuisine and experience the warm hospitality of the Tahitian people in nearby areas. Papanui Valley is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. The valley is surrounded by lush green mountains, waterfalls, and dense tropical vegetation. The landscape is characterized by rugged terrain and dramatic peaks, providing a captivating backdrop for visitors. The Papanui River flows through the valley, adding to its charm. Visitors can explore the riverbanks and may encounter waterfalls cascading down the mountain slopes. The sounds of flowing water and the rich biodiversity contribute to the serene ambience of the valley. Papanui Valley offers excellent opportunities for hiking and outdoor enthusiasts. There are various trails that allow visitors to explore the valley and witness its natural wonders. Hikes can range from easy walks to more challenging treks, providing options for all levels of fitness. When visiting Papanui Valley in Tahiti, travelers can expect a harmonious blend of natural beauty, outdoor activities, and cultural significance, making it a must-visit destination for those exploring the enchanting landscapes of French Polynesia. Mara Grotto, a unique natural wonder, a cave system with stunning stalactites and stalagmites. Guided tours are available to explore this fascinating underground world. The Arahoho blowhole operates as a natural geyser. As the waves crash against the rocky shoreline, water is forced into the subterranean lava tubes. The pressure builds up until it finally releases through a vent in the surface, creating a spectacular spray of seawater that can reach impressive heights. The intensity of the blowhole varies depending on the strength and size of the incoming waves, offering a dynamic and ever-changing spectacle. To witness the Arahoho blowhole at its most dramatic, it is recommended to visit during high tide or when the sea is particularly active. The increased wave action enhances the force with which water is pushed through the lava tubes, resulting in more spectacular displays. While the blowhole is a marvel to behold at any time, planning your visit during high tide ensures a more impressive and visually stunning experience. In the heart of the South Pacific, Tahiti and her islands boast a vibrant and diverse cultural heritage that is as enchanting as the turquoise waters that surround them. One of the best places to delve into this captivating history is the Museum of Tahiti and her islands. Situated in Punaia, on the west coast of Tahiti, this museum is a treasure trove of Polynesian art, artifacts, and history. The museum houses an impressive collection of archaeological artifacts, including tools, ornaments, and pottery that date back to pre-European contact. These exhibits shed light on the ingenious ways in which the Polynesians navigated the vast Pacific Ocean and established their unique societies on these islands. The museum also highlights the incredible biodiversity of Tahiti and her islands. From vibrant coral reefs to lush tropical flora, visitors can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural wonders that make these islands a paradise for nature lovers. Tihupo'o, the majestic wave and surfing haven. Tihupo'o, pronounced Cho-Pu, is a legendary surf break located on the southwestern coast of Tahiti in French Polynesia. Renowned for its massive, powerful waves, Tihupo'o has gained a reputation as one of the most challenging and awe-inspiring surf spots on the planet. Tihupo'o is situated on the remote and lush island of Tahiti, part of the Society Islands archipelago in French Polynesia. The wave itself breaks over a shallow coral reef, contributing to its notoriously heavy and dangerous nature. The name, Tihupo'o, translates to "place of skulls" in Tahitian, a fitting name for a wave that commands immense respect due to its ferocity. What sets Tihupo'o apart is the raw power and size of its waves. Known for its thick, hollow barrels, the wave can reach staggering heights of up to 10 to 15 feet on average, with the potential to exceed 20 feet during large swells. The waves at Tihupo'o break with such force that the resulting barrels are not only intimidating but also have earned the spot a reputation as one of the heaviest waves in the world. Tihupo'o gained international fame in the surfing community when it became a regular stop on the World Surf League (WSL) Championship Tour. The surfers who tackle Tihupo'o are not only skilled but also fearless, as the powerful and fast-moving waves demand the utmost expertise. Tihupo'o became the focal point of global attention during the Code Red Swell, a massive surf event that brought waves exceeding 20 feet. This historic event showcased the extreme capabilities of the wave and solidified Tihupo'o as one of the most challenging and sought-after surf destinations for adrenaline junkies and professional surfers alike. The Intercontinental Tahiti Resort and Spa is known for its stunning tropical surroundings and picturesque views of the South Pacific. The resort is strategically situated near Tahiti's capital city, Papeete, making it convenient for travelers arriving by air. It offers a range of accommodations, including overwater bungalows and beachfront villas. These rooms often come with luxurious amenities and are designed to provide a comfortable and immersive experience in the Polynesian paradise. The Intercontinental Tahiti Resort and Spa typically features several dining options, allowing guests to savor a variety of local and international cuisines. Some resorts in French Polynesia often include restaurants that showcase the region's fresh seafood and tropical flavors. While Tahiti itself has much to offer, the resort may assist guests in organizing trips to nearby islands or excursions to explore the natural beauty and unique culture of French Polynesia. In conclusion, Tahiti stands as a paradisiacal jewel in the heart of the South Pacific, captivating the imagination with its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Its turquoise lagoons, lush green mountains, and pristine beaches create a postcard-perfect setting that beckons travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. Beyond its natural beauty, Tahiti's rich Polynesian heritage adds depth to the experience, manifesting in traditional dance, music, and art that reflect the island's unique identity. As a destination that seamlessly blends luxury with authenticity, Tahiti leaves an indelible mark on those fortunate enough to explore its wonders, fostering a sense of awe and appreciation for the wonders of the natural world and the diversity of human culture. Whether one seeks romantic seclusion, thrilling water activities, or cultural immersion, Tahiti offers a harmonious blend of elements that make it a truly enchanting destination for those in search of a tropical paradise. On behalf of Dee Turner in conjunction with Infoscape, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Check back for more exciting destinations.